former YouTube mommy vlogger Ruby Franke is headed to prison for abusing her children. Moments ago, the Utah mother of 6 was sentenced to 4 consecutive sentences of 1 to 15 years in prison on child abuse charges. Her reaction seen right there. Franke and her business partner pleaded guilty to charges after police found one of Franke's sons emaciated with open wounds and bound with duct tape, while one of her daughters was malnourished. Leading us off this hour, our Phil Lipoff, also our legal contributor and criminal defense attorney, Shauna Lloyd. Phil, let's start with you and just bring us the news on how much time she really is expected to spend in prison.
This is a pretty horrific case, Kira, that you've been following. We've all been following. Millions of people have been looking to this sentencing. Ruby Franke pleaded guilty, and Jodi Hildebrandt, her business partner, both to 4 counts each of aggravated child abuse. Today, they got the max. As you mentioned, you add all the cases up, all the charges up, it's 4 to 60 years. Each count was 1 to 15 and consecutive. Now, under Utah law, it will be up to the parole board to figure out exactly how much of that time they were sentenced to will be behind bars. We're told that should happen in about 6 months. By the way, there was a lengthy statement today given by Franke to the court. She referred to her children as my babies, my 6 chicks. That's a quote, and she compared herself to a mama duck.
Mama duck that's now mama done. Shauna, sentencing in Utah works differently than other states, though. So how do you think that played a part in today's decision?
Well, what it does is it basically bifurcates them. So the judge makes a determination on whether they'll be concurrently or consecutively, and she looks at the range. And then the parole board is going to look at everything, their total aggregate sentence, how much that could potentially be, what time served has already happened. And then they come up with the exact amount of time she will actually spend in prison.
So, Phil, Franke's husband has now filed for divorce. He's suing her partner, Hildebrandt, for restitution. What's the latest there?
Well, Ruby's husband, Kevin, who you're talking about, was actually in court today with 2 of his adult children for the sentencing. He has filed for divorce, as you point out. He's looking to regain custody of his kids. He was estranged from Ruby. Now he has filed for divorce. He's also suing Hildebrandt for restitution. He says his kids are going to need years of therapy because of what they went through. During her lengthy statement in court today, Ruby called Kevin the love of her life. And as he heard that, our folks who were in court to see it say he kind of shook his head. He turned red, was very emotional, and then just simply put his head in his hands.
Well, Shauna, the judge read victim impact sentences as well. I'm sure that that had some type of impact here on Franke's sentencing.
Absolutely. And when the board looks at it, let's remember, they're also going to look at anything that can increase that sentence or mitigate it. So the fact that these were children, that's going to be factored into the board's decision. They're going to look at the extent of the abuse. All of these items are going to be factored into that decision and exactly how much time from 1 to 15 years they'll receive for each charge.
All right, Phil Lipoff, Shauna Lloyd, appreciate you both so much. And for more on how Ruby Franke rose to fame and whether there were missed signs before that arrest, be sure to watch Impact by Nightline's A Momfluencer's Double Life. It's now streaming on Hulu.